guys, there's ice in my mouth. Let's go to the beach.
She make you wanna buy a plane ticket. Know me from a baby, so we intimate. Act poking out like St. Philip. She remind me of my hometown, how I lived in it. Girl, forsake me, Barbara. Why you wanna hit me, Barbara? Why you gotta do me so, yeah, yeah. Why you gotta do me so, yeah, yeah.
I don't know if you guys see the blue over there. But we're working down the hill to the beach. It's a journey.
There it is, dog. They get punched. They get corn, boy. Gotta step by the road, boy. Then they get corn.
Okay. Slow down here. So by the beach. I'm looking for some kind of shade and just gonna relax and probably get in the water soon because I miss it. And yeah.
You know you want it.
Oh yeah.
You want it bad.
Alright.
You know you want it. You want it bad.
Conscience.
Come get this. Juicy, juicy, juicy bad.
Dial up.
Come get this. You know I'm juicy, juicy bad.
So this is the first time in a long time, in a really long time, that I'm like wearing a two-piece like out in public, and like I don't know, I'm not ashamed of my body anymore, I guess. And I still have stretch marks, see, on my belly that I'm gonna be trying to work on this year, but it's 2020, and I guess I finally got the courage to just like come to the beach in a two-piece instead of a monokini or something. And yeah, it feels good. It feels freeing. Anytime you take a step to kind of break down barriers in your mind that's blocking you from doing things, that's blocking you from moving forward, it always feels good to kind of like move past that. So I guess that's what I'm doing this year. I'm trying to just move past every barrier that I myself put in my own head. Yeah. So that's the word for today. That's the word. That's that on that. Toodles.
Dum dum dum. Spotlight. Let me see. Yo, cause you know you're bad, you're cute, you're blessing now. Bend down and roll. I'm blessing you. I need your ex. He's stressing you. Turn around, send a kiss, cause you're blessing now. Stick it for real one. Session on me real strong. Feel you is the deal, yeah.
So on my way back home, gotta go wash my hair. Get all of this salt water off my body before it starts. I don't know, fucking making me more dry than I already am. My skin more dry than I already am. Making before it starts making my skin more dry than it already is. So this walk is about 30 minutes because I'm gonna be walking slow. Hopefully I get a drop off the hill, but I'm wet, so I don't know. I doubt it.
Give it a medal because when carnival reaches, when the violence drop. Yeah, a gangster say looking for galley, leave on me Glock. Yeah, the only time of the year bad man is lime on the block. What you talking about? Only peace and love, say that is who can have preach. Yeah, one family jumping together when the back canal reach. Lord, I drinking rum and playing massa out in the street. Yeah, and every foreigner tell me that the carnival sweet. What this soca music evil? You talking